Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators. Recently, we have seen comments saying Stock Navigators had a group chat on the WhatsApp. So we do not have one. So and anyone who said that they do, they are pretending to be us. So please be careful when you see anyone who is pretending or saying they are part of Stock Navigator. You have to be extremely careful because I see some YouTube somebody put comment. They try to say that if you want to make tons of money, follow them for $50,000, this and that. So they're all scammers. So you have to be careful because a lot of people they're looking for the way to scam people right now because we know that we have a large group of members. So that's why you have to be careful. All right. So that's the first note for you. And let's take a look on the market to see where we are heading to. So overall, the Dow is still head up to the upside. So right now, after they found a support yesterday, they stay here today. They put it back up, but right now we are in a critical level that the market needs to go to this level here because this is the resistance level that the market failed to break out last time. So we have to watch out that when the market get back here, are they be able to punch through it, or if they give up here, and then we can go down too. So at this moment, we have to pay a little bit attention on this level. Today, a lot of talk they try to come back. Hopefully, they'll be able to push it back up. And we look at for the main index like the Dow, the Russell 2000, they try to get up to this level there. And the QQQ with the technology stock is very strong, but they also try to test the sales on here. So if they can, first of all, we have to see they be able to punch through it and continue to the upside, or they have to pull back before they can go higher. Semiconductor, it also tried to get back up after they found a support there. The spider also tried to get back to the top level here. So tomorrow it will be the very, very important day so that we can see the market when it hit to this level, what they want to do next. Okay, so at this moment here, as long as we not break out here, we still have to be careful when they hit to the all-time high here. So a lot of oil, it really this morning they're doing very well after the breakout flag button here. They continue to push it back up, and gold to trouble to go higher. So they are stuck into this rainbow here, and Bitcoin it tried to push it back up to the upside. Okay, after they found a support. So let's see they can keep up the momentum and go back and test the upper bound or not. So if you look at a lot of stuff that a lot of sector we are talking about, like the real estate sector, after they hit resistance, they pull back. Like yesterday, I told you today they come back and then they try to hold up there for the continuation to the upside. If tomorrow they continue to push it back up and confirm in the decision here. And a lot of talk in this sector like POT. No, I'm sorry, this is the TOL, that's the Toll Brothers. Okay, they put a support, they power back up, and KB Home also. KB Home would also find a support and then try to rebound, and the MHO, another builder, they put it back down, they go right back up. And a lot of stuff from the bio sector that we have been follow. Okay, so they are still put it to the upside. GS also try to put it to the upside. Okay, and even MRNA. So after the correction, and then they try to put it back up again. So a lot of stuff on the technology like Apple. Okay, to try to put it, try to turn around Microsoft. Okay, they try to put it back up. So let's see tomorrow they can keep the momentum or not. Boeing, they look like they found a support and try to get back up. Today the Amazon and I think at CMG they try to they have now earning. So it seems like they try to break out to this level here to want to make sure that they be able to keep it up, or they will like Apple or Microsoft, they will give up first before they can go higher. So that's very important here because right now the market is all-time high. So the people scare every time we give them a good a profit, and then they just take it. So we have to be careful because we are in the all-time high. All right. So if you are in our live trading room today, this is what we do every day in our live trading room. If you are belong to the expert trader group, and you can see that in the morning when the market open, so our member, they know that they trended up, so we take a first trade here and push it up, and within the first 1 hour the market it moved 25 points. So for the immediate SB 500, that's the $1,250 per one contract. This is what we are doing every day, and in our live trading room. So that's why we guide everybody. We already have a target zone. We know where to enter and where to exit, and we're done for the day. And after that, you can go do your routine work. You don't have to stay there. So that's why it's the benefit of our member belong to the expert community trading group. We help each other so that we guide, and we help them so that we can make money together. So after I get out of the live trading room, so I always take care of our member first, and when I get out, the market will give me some room to put it back up on the second leg. So I just jump in and make it $1,800.86. So the people ask, why we always making money, okay? We don't lose money because we know what to do. We know how to understand how to read the chart correctly. That's why you need to invest some time for your education, okay? Because without education, you become a lot of trader like this, okay? So let's say CMG, that's the target, the GME, okay? So you probably heard about the short squeeze on the GameStop. So for those people, I know a lot of you out there try to buy it when this target or that almost $500. A lot of people buy here and then look at today. Right now, it's at almost $500. Right now, it's less than $50. So if you don't know, and then you try to buy without understand, without invest in your education, you don't know how to read the chart, and you buy here, and now the target right here. Okay, look at another one. So AMC, that's another one. The people buy here, right here, because they think that they go higher. But look at here right now, yet only a couple of days, it's over $20, now become $5. And look at the, those short squeeze stock here. A lot of people, they try to chase because they hear from their friend, from the text message somewhere, okay, they just buy it. I know that a lot of people buy here. Okay, and they think they will go higher, but look at them. It is $10, now become $4. So it's very important, time for you to wake up before you start buying any stock. You need to invest in your education, because without education, then you don't buy it, because otherwise, the Wall Street, they will eat your life. And I know that a lot of people, they get stuck here, now they don't know what to do, so they all sell and get out here, and that's the problem. Okay, so that's a good lesson for those of you, and then I hope that you guys not involved here, but if you do, then this is the time for you to wake up. You need to learn before you start trading. You need to understand how to read the chart, how to analyze the chart before you buy. Okay, so that's a good lesson for those of you, okay, that don't know, but I hope that you will learn from this one and don't do it again. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone.